This video is basically gonna be an explanation of how your auto hold feature works on your car. So most newer vehicles now have auto hold, which basically allows you to take your foot off the brake when you come to a complete stop. So say you stopped at a stoplight, you don't have to keep your foot on the brake. It'll automatically engage the brake for you. And then once you want to start going again, you tap the accelerator and it'll begin moving. So this is what the auto hold button looks like in my car. So basically I have it activated right now. So as you can see, the LED goes on and it shows on my instrument cluster right here that the auto hold feature is in fact active. So right now I'm gonna just accelerate a little bit and you can see that it turned off right here in the instrument cluster, and then when I come to a complete stop, it'll say auto hold is now in park. So basically that's how it works, and it's just a convenience feature that you can use